Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you notifications are not working in iPhone after the new iOS 18 update. Some apps notifications are not working like email, YouTube, App Store and Mail and Wallet app, and WhatsApp notifications are not working. Keep watching the video until the end if you are facing this issue. Number one is turn off do not disturb mode and check it's enabled. Tap on the settings, little bit scroll up to find focus mode and tap on it. Tap on do not disturb mode. If enabled, simply disable the mode and fix your problem. You can see focus status, do not disturb turn off, sleep turn off, and share focus status turn off and fix your problem. If solution number one is not working, now applying the solution number two. Solution number two is turn off schedule summary. Tap on settings, little bit scroll up to find notifications. You can see schedule summary is already turned off. If turn on, turn off and fix your problem. If solution number two is not working, applying the solution number three. Solution number three is restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix all bugs and glitches from your iOS device. Press the volume up button, volume down button and press the power button until you see Apple logo appears on screen. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, wait 5 to 10 seconds. When iPhone is completely rebooted and turn on, fix your notification not working in iPhone problem. If solution number three is not working, now applying the solution number four. Check the app notification settings. Like WhatsApp notification is not working, simply tap on settings, scroll up, tap on apps, select WhatsApp app, tap on it. You can see notifications. If notification is turned off, allow the notification and fix your problem. If solution number four is not working, now applying the solution number five. Solution number five is unblock or unmute the person or group and fix notification is not working. If solution number five is not working, now applying the solution number six. Solution number six is turn off low power mode. Tap on the settings, tap on battery. You can see low power mode. If turn on, turn it off back and fix your problem. If solution number six is not working, now applying the solution number seven. Solution number seven is turn off silence unknown callers. Tap on the settings, little bit scroll up to find app, tap on phone. You can see appears on screen silence unknown caller already turn off. If turn on, simply turn it off back and fix your problem. If solution number six is not working, now applying the solution number seven. Solution number seven is reset all settings. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up to find tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, reset all settings, enter your Apple ID passcode and fix this issue. If all solutions are not working, simply contact support@apple.com to fix this issue. I hope you will all know how to fix notifications not working on iPhone after new iOS 18 update. Thanks for watching.